Welcome to Project Possible. In today's video, we are going to discuss about vision board. Now, there is a famous quote from Albert Einstein which says, "Imagination is everything." What you see around us is all a gift of imagination. Someone has imagined about it, and that's the reason it's a reality. So, from my personal experience, I like to share that the moment I started using the power of imagination into my life, things have started happening. And I got this inspiration from my faith. Being a believer, a Christian, a Catholic, my personal prayer is something which is which gives me guidance, gives me a purpose and inspiration. And it gave me a real inspiration few years back that I have to imagine whatever you want to achieve in life. And that has become a principle in my life. Every year, when we start the new year, I create a vision board. And that's the reason I'm sharing with you about this vision board and the experiences I had in the past few years. So, in a vision board, normally I focus on four pillars. The first is the faith, the second is the health, the third is the family, and fourth is the profession and the venture you are into. So, those are my four focuses when it comes to the vision board. Now, it can be very different to you. But the idea is before you start making the vision board, you need to have a clear picture what exactly you are looking for in life. Yeah. So, for example, if you are saying money, then that's very vague. That should not go into your vision board. But if you say that you want to cross a 500,000 revenue or a 1 million portfolio, yes, that's something more concrete and specific. So your vision board needs that clarity that what exactly you're aiming for. And then you can see the power of imagination working in your life. So the first pillar is the faith. Now, when it comes to the vision board, it's important that you kind of have a clarity about your faith. So you mentioned powerful and punchy words, like for example, like all good comes from God. So anything goodness is God's gift to us. Anything good you are able to do is God working through you. And once you have that feeling that you are able to do good, and it's a gift from God, you want to do more of it. Then you find your purpose in prayer. So it's like you want to find your path, what you are meant to do in this creation of God's plan. And when your plan and God's plan get aligned, that's where success in anything you do, you experience success. And when you're running with your purpose in life, you will face challenges, you will face obstacles, you will hit the wall. And that's where you have courage, you have hope, you have love, which comes from God in your life. So you can overcome those challenges. Now, I surround words like miracle. Every day is a miracle. I surround words like what we say, a gift, gift from God. So these are the powerful words which you can put on the vision board and help you focus and help you kind of stay focused on what you want, what your purpose is, what you are meant for. And God is the one who is driving that for you. You are just there as an instrument, but God is the one who is writing that story. God is the one who is putting that purpose in you. God is the one who's giving you that imagination which no one else can imagine. Only you can imagine because God is the one who's putting that in you. The next one on the vision board is the health pillar. Now, health is wealth. That's how it goes. And it's very true. So, if you look after your health, that means you will be able to look after your family, you will be able to look after your businesses, your venture, your profession. You will be able to do your best when you are in a good level of fitness. Now, I need to agree here that I have done four marathons, three London marathon and one Berlin marathon, and those were my best. I could say I experienced the one of my best fitness levels. But over the last 2 years, I have definitely gone off track, and that's what I want to bring it back. So this year, 2022, on my vision board, I'm going to give a very heavy emphasis on health, doing my 10,000 steps every day, making sure that at least 3 times a week I'm doing 10-mile runs, so that it helps me improve and stay focused on my stamina and my health. And also daily 30 minutes of exercise or nature walk, something where I get involved with Andrew and we do it together. It might be putting some music and doing some exercise, whatever it is. So those are the three things which I'm going to emphasize when it comes to health. Now, it is like it's so important that health is so vital, and a lot of people I have seen, they leave that for the last. No, that should be one of your first priorities. That should be one of your most important priorities. Okay, so make sure you put something about health into your vision board. And 2022, make sure that you become more resilient, more focused on your stamina, most build your health, and that will help you to thrive in every aspect of your life. When you're doing your vision board, now the next pillar is somewhere you get the entire family involved. In fact, at every aspect of your vision board you should get the entire family involved, but this particular pillar is the family pillar. This is where you want to make sure that you sit down and you discuss it through, get everyone on board and work with them. Yeah, this is so important. And I'll tell you, when you have your family around you, when you all are on the same page, that's where you enjoy your success and success comes to you. Whichever decisions I have taken along with my wife and we have done it together, I'll tell you, those have always flourished, always become successful. And there have been times when I took my own ways and decisions and things did not work out, and there are times when I have to take a bold step and then the family follows later on. So those are the situations. But the best situation is that you both and your entire family, your children, everyone is on page, on the same page and working together. So let it be a holiday you are planning. Get the entire family together and plan a holiday. If you're planning about your business, your venture, and how you want to grow, engage them, explain them how this will look like, what are the challenges you will be facing, how much time commitment you have to put in, how frequent you have to do travels. So get the family on board. So the vision board should reflect your family's involvement when it comes to all these things. There are so many other aspects that you want your family to be healthy. You want to buy the best of the house for your family. You want to give them a lifestyle. You want to kind of take them on different places, like it might be a spiritual place where you want to visit. You want to go for a retreat with your family. So all those things comes into the vision board, and you need to kind of prioritize which are the ones you want to achieve that in 2022 with your family. So this is one pillar where you get the entire family on board and put that into your vision board. So the next pillar on the vision board is your profession, your career, or your ventures, the businesses, what you're doing. And it's so important that you be very specific about what you want to achieve in 2022. That you want to build a portfolio of properties of 1 million plus, or you're already on 1 million, you want to reach 5x or 5 million. So those are the things you have to be very specific. And what are the things you're going to achieve in your profession or in your career? Put some pictures around it, put your imagination around it, and don't doubt yourself and don't limit yourself. Go and put the wildest imagination you can when it comes to your ventures and your businesses. Now remember one thing: there is no substitute for hard work. There's no substitute for hard work. It's good to have those imagination. It is good to have those pictures on your vision board. It is good to personalize yourself in that vision board. All that is great. And make sure that your vision board is visible, so that every day you are able to see your visions, what all things you have put in, and every day that it should give you a motivation to go and turn up and make sure you do it, what is needed for that, whatever it takes. But hard work is the fundamental thing for all this vision to come together. Yeah, all this vision to become reality, hard work is equally, not equally, it's more important. Okay, so it's good to have your dreams, your imagination into pictures and words, and visible. But it is so important, so fundamental, that you hustle and you work hard. There is no substitute to that. Okay, so people who do both, and for them the vision board becomes a reality. That's very true. Over the last few years, I have seen how this vision board has massively helped me and my family to move one step at a time and achieve those dreams one by one. And we are really thankful to God to actually see the potential of this gift which is given in us, to the gift of imagination, the gift to visualize, and God wants to bring that all into our life. So that's what I want to share about the vision board. It's very important. If you have done this vision board previously and you have some good experiences to share, please put that in the comment. That will help and inspire other people. And if you have heard about vision board and yet you have not done one, I will highly recommend you to create your vision board. There are so many tools online and offline you can do to build your vision board. So get on board, sit down, have a clear idea what you want on your vision board. Have clarity on that. Once you have the clarity, put that personalized pictures, not any vague pictures, personalized pictures on the board. Get your family involved, get your business partners involved, and then make it visible so that you can see it every day, others can see it every day, and that will inspire you to achieve those visions every day. And God will help you at every step. When you take one step, God goes 100 miles for you. Yeah. So make sure that you experience and you put into action the power of imagination into your life. So if you're watching this and you like this video, please click on the like button. It will help the logarithm of YouTube. If you have to share this about the vision board with your friends and family, people you know, please do share it. And if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for the notification. So whenever we bring up new videos, pretty much every day, you will get a notification. And we also have a monthly live event wherein property experts come every month and they share their insight, their knowledge, their experience, the challenges they have overcome, and always how they stay focused. And more importantly, we will have a Q&A session, a live Q&A session where you have the opportunity to ask questions to the expert and they will give you their knowledge live for you. So all that information is in the description. So make sure that you sign up for the Project Possible monthly live event. So on that note, I'll sign off. Until next, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.